Well, going up on is what you guys. So for today's video, we have Jada Kingdom explaining to her fans via Instagram why she cancelled her slot for Reggae Sumfest 2022. This is what she has to say.
Oh my gosh. Good fucking question. Good fucking question. I don't know. At this point, I'm tired of the fucking song. I just want it out. Like, just imagine me. Like, people think, you think you stressed out? Just imagine me. I've been sitting with this song for 2 years. Like, a lot of these songs is not new. Yeah, even the song I dropped the other day and people like, oh, she sing about that person, yeah. Get off my dick. I'm not singing about anybody. That song was recorded like 2 fucking years ago. And you can't tell, like, you hear the fucking growth in my voice. Why you open the door like that? You can hear the growth in my voice. So it's like, oh, yeah, come on. I forgot too. I was ready to.
That's what I'm trying to tell you.
I was ready to. Yeah, but whatever. Yeah, like, that song is 2 years old. It's not fucking new. Get off my dick. Leave me the fuck alone. Love me the fuck alone. Trust me. I don't know when I'm afraid for address no fucking body, but trust me when I tell you, I ain't addressing nobody. It wasn't for nobody. I'm not singing about nobody in particular. Just making music. Doing what the fuck I do best, and that's fucking it. Like, to be honest, I wish I learned this a long time ago. Some people just do not deserve my fucking, like, attention. Like, why should I? It's nothing to really address. Like, for what? Everybody know the fucking real. Do I look like I'm slow? Or do I look like I'm fucking dumb? Wake the fuck up now. Well, it might be slow or whatever. I'm not me. Yeah, like, everything is copy and fucking paste. Like, anybody could say whatever the fuck they want, but when it comes down to the nitty blood clot grit, you know, who really about that? Me. I don't know about nobody else, but I'm really about what the fuck I say or sing or whatever the fuck. Like, get up with me. No, really, truly. So, let's leave certain things to certain people. Next thing you go hear, me this, me that, me blow up my warata. Me this, me that, my warata. I'm tired. It's a waste of time. All I can say is, just leave me in the fuck. And that's true. A lot of times people just love poking me, love calling my name just because they feel like they know I'm gonna answer just so they can get a little like, attention and recognition, whatever the fuck you want, Charlie. Not this time around. Oh my gosh. The fucking. Ugh. I can't find the fucking concealer thing. I dropped who? What do you mean? I can't find the fucking concealer. So let me try. You can see the back tattoo on my page. Me and a puppy show. Me take off my show your back tattoo for. When I love me, I look at you made something they get to and you say, I'm gonna do a playful for catch blood clot wise. I love Kiki, yeah, me, don't fucking run with me. He's not a fucking idiot. Never that. Please, tighten up. Please tighten up. Me Kiki would not, yeah, me room, yeah. Don't fuck yourself. Please. All fun and joke aside, cause I don't know what a yammer look like. You're not coming to Sumfest? No, I'm not performing at fucking Sumfest. Guys, how about... Oh my god, should I? Should I? Controversy. So they basically... Well, I've heard. I don't know. I'm gonna know what true it is. I didn't talk to them personally myself. But all of a sudden they want to change my date. Hold up. They want to change my date to the 22nd. After I've already been booked for the 23rd. And they want me to perform at a certain time. So we put the puzzles together. And I'm like, oh. They want to start some bang around with me. Just not interested in her. And I'll pass. And then also, this show's been booked from God knows when. And how I wanted to like do my set and everything, I would have ended up like coming out of pocket, and we not doing that. But then when we able to date change thing, that kind of pissed me off. Somebody say, you know what, let it go. I'll pass. Catch me next year Sumfest. My name not the fuckery. Cause next thing I know, I end up in prison. Leave me alone. Cause why the fuck would you want me to perform on the 22nd at a certain time? Get the fuck out of here.